Good day to everyone. I am Ritanya, biomedical trainer from Adinapani Private Limited. Today we are going to see the part 1 demonstration video of the biomedical device oxygen concentrator. Yes, oxygen concentrator plays the major role in helping many lives in the corona time. So now let's demonstrate about the device oxygen concentrator. So in this part 1 of the video, we are going to see its purpose, applications, principle and its usages in the hospitals. So now let's move on to the video. First, what is oxygen concentrator? Oxygen concentrator is a device which delivers pure content of oxygen to the people who are having lower range of oxygen saturation in their body. So now, what is oxygen saturation? Oxygen saturation is a condition where your oxygen molecules binds with your red blood cells. So, a healthy adult should have a normal range of 95 to 100%. If a patient is having their range lower than 95%, then the condition is known as hypoxia. Or in case, if a patient is having higher concentration than their normal range, above 100%, then the condition is known as hyperoxemia. Oxygen concentrator is also known as oxygen gas plant or oxygen generator. Oxygen concentrator are same as the oxygen tank, but in case of oxygen tank, it is necessary to refill the oxygen when it gets over. But that is one disadvantage in oxygen tank. But this made the greatest advantage for the inventory of the device oxygen concentrator. It absorbs the atmospheric air and filters the nitrogen and other unwanted gases and provides the pure content of the oxygen. Many people get confused about oxygen concentrator and ventilators are same. But it's not true. Ventilators are devices used for aiding the patient in like inspiration and expiration. But in case of oxygen concentrator, the device supplies pure content of the oxygen when the patient oxygen saturation level is low. It delivers only the oxygen for the patient. Let's learn about the working mechanism behind the device oxygen concentrator. So, we know in our atmosphere we have a different composition mixture of the gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and inert gases like argon, helium, etc. Nitrogen is a gas which has a major component present in the atmosphere around the percentage of 78%. Whereas oxygen is around the percentage of 21%. Carbon dioxide around the percentage of 0.03%. Whereas the balance gases are composed of argon, helium and some other inert gases. So now, the working mechanism of the oxygen concentrator is it absorbs the atmospheric gases and filters the gases like nitrogen, inert gases and carbon dioxide and delivers the patient pure content of the oxygen from the mask or nasal cannula connected to the patient from the device. Now let's learn about the principle of the oxygen concentrator device. So there are two working principles here. First one is pressure swing adsorption and second principle is membrane gas separation. So now what is the purpose of the device oxygen concentrator? As we know, the device oxygen concentrator provides the continuous supply of the oxygen to the patient. People with lower oxygen saturation range, sleep apnea and pulmonary disorders like asthma, pneumonia, bronchitis or trouble breathing are recommended to use the device oxygen concentrator. So now, let's learn about the usage of the oxygen concentrator in the hospital department. So, the oxygen concentrator is used in the department like critical care department and pulmonary department for helping the people with having trouble breathing or pulmonary disorders. So, there are two types of the oxygen concentrator device. One is home unit and another one is portable unit. Now we are going to see the home unit of the oxygen concentrator model. So here you can see the device oxygen concentrator. The brand name is Jimayo of 5 liter capacity. So now first I am going to show its power supply of the device. Here you can see the AC power supply of the device. So now I am going to connect the AC supply. So this is the switch on or off button. So now I am going to turn off my switch. So this is the flow regulator where I am going to regulate the flow of the oxygen output. So here you can see there is a numbered meter like thing. This is known as flow meter, where you can adjust the flow range from 0.5 to 5 liter. So this Jimayo brand oxygen concentrator can deliver minimum 0.5 to maximum 5 liter per minute of oxygen to the patient continuously. Here you can see the display of displaying flow rate, concentration and timing. In flow rate you can see this adjustment in this digital form. So in this concentration level you can see how much purity of the oxygen is delivered by the device. So in this timing you can adjust the timing from minimum 1 minute to maximum 99 minutes. So this is the oxygen output port. So this is my caliograph where you can see how much hour I have used this device from the installation of the device. So these are the external parts of the device oxygen concentrator. This button is known as circuit breaker button. So the circuit breaker is used to protect the device from the high voltage fluctuations. Here we have an elastic strap where we are going to place our humidifier bottle, which is having a capacity of 400 ml. This air filter absorbs the atmospheric air into the device. As we know, the device nebulizer is used for the drug delivery to the patient having pulmonary disorders. Behind the device you can see a small opening port for the connection of nebulizer tip. Till this we have seen the external parts of the oxygen concentrator. So if you guys want to know more about the device nebulizer, kindly watch our previous video of demonstration of the device ultrasonic nebulizer. So the link has been provided in your description for your reference. The second part of the demonstration video of the device oxygen concentrator, we can see its tube connection and furthermore application of the device oxygen concentrator. So till this